Happy Thursday, everybody. Welcome to pre-market update. Let's see how things are going. We'll review SPX cycle chart. We'll review all the major indices, including NASDAQ. Let's review crypto after that, and then commodities, and then we'll wrap up with the FANG stock. Please hit the like button, guys. Only takes 1 second to hit the thumbs up button. I'll really appreciate that. So let's start with SPX cycle analysis. Focus on this yellow cycle. So this cycle is ending very soon, like today, tomorrow. So it's either today or maybe Friday. So it's like it should be wrapping up very soon as per this chart. Let's see. And then we should be going into a declining phase for from mid of like let's say end of this week to end of this month. So looking for some pullback, not a major correction, just a pullback to buy a good dip. And there's a gap here. If I go to SPY, in this chart you can see this gap, so that could be potential target 536. If we somehow come to fill that gap, that's going to be a nice entry and bull should buy that dip. So that's what I'm looking for, not something anything major. So looking for kind of topping process and then a decline and then again a rally probably. So that's on cycle analysis. We had a CPI, not CPI, I think jobs report, I believe. So let's look at US 500 side by side, and looks like I don't know what the news is. There was some news at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, so market is now a little bit going lower. Russell is the lowest, but you can see it was in the sell zone. Futures were open yesterday. They was in the sell zone most of the time, and on day before yesterday was a massive pump. Now just consolidating before that. All right. So anyhow, so the levels are right now, red lines are where we sell, green lines are where we buy. In the middle we do nothing, so we're getting some decline. So we could get a pump from neutral zone, which is around 54.94 in US 500, and still it's very extended. You can see it's a nice bull trend. All moving averages are extended to the top side, but we are very overbought. You can see below the indicators here on the right side are saying a very green, very overbought. um, but yeah, so it's a good time to lock in profit, in my opinion. You want to buy when it's red, you want to sell when it's green, so that's where it is right now. So I already showed you the gap on SPY. Nasdaq 100, let's look at that. Same thing here, getting a dump from sell zone. If we somehow come to the buy zone, 19916, that's a good buy. And on triple Qs, gap is all the way down to 468. That's going to be a major dump if we get that. Let's see from where we are right now to that all the way around. It's like 3.78%. So that's going to be a massive down move in triple Qs. So we'll see what we get. Russell is weakest. You can see just as the sell zone now going towards buy zone. So you don't want to be shorting here because it's going to be soon in the buy zone. And you can see on a daily chart, just chopping around, it's in a bear trend, lower highs, low lows, lower highs, lower lows. But we could be coming very close to on a day trading chart is telling me so we're getting very close to bottom. So I won't recommend shorting here on Russell. Crude oil. Crude oil is looking very bullish. Change in trend. This high is broken, previous high on the right side. It's a new high now. So made a low, fake out, V-shaped recovery, flag, and now going higher. So I think it's getting ready to go higher. On a day trading chart, it's in the neutral zone, so nothing to do here. CNQ, I have it here because it was, well, now it's not in the buy zone. It pumped, nice pump on day before yesterday to the sell zone. And I was buying and I was telling everybody to buy, and you could have made easy 4% profit here. It could have sold there. Now it looks like it's in the neutral zone. So I think the pump is just getting started on CNQ. I'm very bullish on oil sector for the short term. So I think we're going to get a nice rally from here. A couple of these two gaps are my target, so I'm going to hold for a while. Tesla here, Tesla is in the neutral zone. All these yellow lines are the gaps to fill. Um, Down pre-market, nothing much to say here. AMD, I have it here. I'm monitoring right now. It was in the buy zone on day before yesterday. Now in the neutral zone, there's a gap here. Still not filled fully, around 153. That's going to be target. If that goes lower than that, then this is going to be nice entry here around 145, 146 near 200 EM and SMA. So if for some reason if we break this support, go lower, buy around this 200 EM and SMA, that's going to be a very, very nice entry. UNH, I have it here because it just dumped for no reason on a couple of days ago. So it's in the buy zone. Just wanted to show you here. Bitcoin is rallying in the sell zone short term, and it's in front of resistance. It broke this red line, which is 50 SMA, daily SMA, broke down, back testing it in front of resistance. Is it going to fail here and go lower? Let's see what happens. And on Ethereum, I guess same thing. Ethereum is a bit stronger than Bitcoin chart-wise. Looks like it's finding support on this red line, which is 50 SMA. But short term, it's in the sell zone, so could be getting some pressure. And on a daily chart, facing this white line, which is 20 moving average, some resistance here as well. All right. What else is here? China. Let's look at China. Hang Seng Index in the neutral zone. Nothing much here. Apple, a nice pump. Um, Actually getting closer to buy zone. There's a gap fill around 212, and then anything below 211.5 is a nice buy entry. So could be flagging after this massive rally. Amazon is in the neutral zone. Google is still in the neutral zone, came close to buy zone, but now again in the neutral zone. Meta, Facebook is in the neutral zone. Netflix is in the sell zone. Nice pump there. Microsoft, Microsoft is also near sell zone. Snowflakes is now near neutral zone pre-market. NVDA again 3% higher, just keeps going higher. I don't know when the stock will fall or cool down again in the sell zone. But in a bull market, I don't recommend shorting. I just wait for it to go to buy zone and then buy. I don't short there. AVGO also in the sell zone right now. Let's see what else is here. Anything interesting? Gold. Let's look at commodities. Gold. Um, Gold touched the sell zone, now going lower. Was in the sell zone a couple of hours ago. On a day trading chart, on a daily chart, lower highs, lower lows. So it can get rejected here and go lower. So chart is not looking nice. Silver is again lower high, lower lows. Is it going to get rejected here or recover in the short-term chart in the sell zone? Copper is in the sell zone. Natural gas is in the buy zone. Higher highs, higher lows. This could be a nice buy the dip opportunity. Let's see. Corn is in the buy zone area. Palladium is in the neutral zone. Soybeans is in the buy zone. Nice buy area here. Sugar is in the sell zone. Wheat nice pullback here. All this gain is given back in the buy zone right now. So very, very, if you took profit, I said it's going to touch 700. A lot of my subscribers are saying this is a good time to lock in profit, and it just dumped after that. So very, very unfortunate, but hope you took profit at 700. If not, just keep holding. What else is here? Let's see if there's anything interesting. Shopify was down 3% on a couple of days ago, near buy zone as well. Okay, so if you're interested in Shopify, near support, this green line, 10 moving average, holding it nicely there. And that's about it for now. If you want me to review any chart, let me know. Put a comment there and I'll review it. Let's just quickly look at VIX. VIX is bouncing up 0.8% and near support. Okay, this is support. Anything below 12, 13 area is nice support. It's gonna bounce, and if it bounce, we could get that weakness in SPY, SPX I was looking for. So we'll see how that goes. All right, guys. Hopefully this is helpful. Please hit the like button, and I'll see you later. Bye.